products, and I am so excited to share them with you. They are chemical free, safe for my home, plus they really do pack a lot of cleaning power. I love that they're sustainable as well. Anyways, today we're cleaning the sink. You notice I have a stain here. The sink is just dingy, water spots, and I'm going to be using the Norwex cleaning paste and one of the Norwex sponges. And the nice thing about these sponges, honestly, you can go, okay, well, I hate to say it, but I've probably gone at least a couple weeks before I wash the sponges. But you can do that because they're weaved with silver. And that kills off the bacteria that the sponge picks up, and it really does work, guys. Also, when you're done with it, when you're ready to wash them, just throw it in the washing machine. They do recommend using the Norwex laundry soap, which again I rave about. It hasn't done any of that gunky buildup on my washing machine like some of the other natural soaps have. This sponge has the Norwex backlock, which is an interwoven silver into the sponge, which helps to neutralize the bacteria that the sponge picks up, which in turn neutralizes the odors that you get in a regular sponge. And if you have ever used those regular cello sponges, those things get nasty so fast. These guys, as they dry, by the time they're fully dry, there is no smell and the bacteria has been neutralized, so you can use it again and again. And then it also has this microfiber weaving on the other side, which is very good for cleaning up any kind of messes. Anyways, so today we're just going to clean my sink here with the Norwex cleaning paste. And it's really as simple as just getting a little bit of water on the paste. And I'm going to use the rough side of this sponge, and we're just going to pull up a little bit of this cleaning paste, and we're going to get to it. Okay, so I'm going to give it a rinse and let's see how we did. You can see that was really easy. There wasn't really a lot of scrubbing to do. This nice gritty side of the sponge has just done a very good job. So I'm just going to give it a quick rinse here. Squeeze out my sponge. I usually just place them over here to dry. And then next, I'm just going to grab one of our counter cloths. These replace paper towels. They absorb a ton, and you can wring them out and it will continue to absorb. So I'm just going to get it a little wet, wring it out really good. And again, these also have the back lock in them, which is that interwoven silver, and it neutralizes the bacteria. But these are just the perfect little cloths, and they have the microfiber, so they just do a really good job of picking up anything that is left, shining up stuff. So I'm just going to dry off this counter here. And there we have it. The sink is now very clean. It didn't take very long at all. Literally, if I wasn't making this video, I would have had this sink clean in probably under a minute. And that's the power of Norwex. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe below.